Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have a vision now and then.
My viewers, my subscribers, listen me man, listen me. Vybz Kartel, Royal Boss. Me know you're proud of yourself, brother. You see me? Royal Boss, honestly, me not lie, you surprised me, my daddy. My daddy Kartel, you surprise me. You see me? My viewers, my subscribers, patrons, attendees, we reach a Freedom Street. On the live stream was not so good. You understand? Blame Joe and Skatta for that. Vybz Kartel now nothing to do with that because of them responsible for that. Alright, people. You see the show up? Freedom Street. Me I tell you the truth, my people. Are the best dancehall show, one night show we get in over a decade in Jamaica history, my people. It's a moment where, honestly, we see history in a dancehall, my people, and we see weird dancehall forward for where he left when Kartel left, my people. That's a moment where we have to celebrate, my people. We have to cherish. You see me? Because honestly, my viewers and subscribers, me not talk truth. Me not think we are going to get nothing like this. Say, you know what I mean? Again, I just say truth, my people. And for me personally, me just great say, me get to live, to see this, my people. History in dancehall. The freedom, the moment. You understand? Vybz Kartel out. And the moment when him touch the stage show for over a decade, my people. Alright, we are going to talk about the show, my people, and give on the way ups and you know what I mean, with thoughts on certain things, and I could understand certain things pertaining to the show. Alright, lot of people, you know what I mean, me see them at Vybz Kartel say his performance was wacky at the first start of it. Of course, my people, when him just forward, that the daddy, you see me? The man not do this for over 13 years, my people. Remember the man a battle a disease, Graves disease, my people. You see me?
This is my first time. I'm always wishing to perform with you on stage. God bless you. Jamaica, I love you. Word up.
Lot of people me on the make talk say, yo, Kartel can't go last 5 minutes. Me on the make talk say they have to have ambulance and doctor stand by ready and wait for him, my people. Him a got job done. How much talk could you make my people, right? About daddy. And look what go on, my people. Eh? The man stand strong. And for talk truth, as me say, when him just start, Zane, come on, the people. How you think say man I go feel? Remember say the man that do this over a decade, you know, my people. Remember the man trapped behind prison bars, prison wall, you know, my people. What did you expect? Say, he might go forward out and just start and listen, the man smart. The man got paper. The man start. Remember the song was saying, the comet is forwarding, right? The comet is forwarding. The comet is forwarding, my people, right? People, remember, you know, the comet are forward. You see when the comet reach, oh my world, oh my peace, just knowing Vybz Kartel erupt. Me say this man erupt. People, the man stand strong. You see me? The man stand strong. And anybody who say them waste money, go a Freedom Street, listen me, una waste a time. Because uno never go there to celebrate the moment. Uno never go there for a great show, my people. Yo, me not see no show in a Jamaica history from how much years now, my people. And we are talking when Kartel lady a road, we see them type of show, yeah. You know what I mean? So good, so great. Me people, me love this show. You see me, but as me say, the live stream a buckery. You see me, the live stream a buckery. You see me, and honestly, people. And why me now gonna say the people that need to compensate back their money are just because a part of cartel thing. You see me? And we are celebrate the freedom of Royal Boss. So we know say anything we do, of the cartel. We not do it for Joe down son and Skatta. Of the cartel and Joe them need to understand that. As me say people, Joe, Skatta them. Me hear people talk about the live stream thing all the while, you know. But some fest. Brother, we're not ready yet. You see me? We're not ready yet. Because I see a lot of people are cuss about it. And we should never have that. We don't have enough time for gear and putting the thing together. So the people could have a wonderful stream. You see me? We don't have enough time, people. So this not nothing to do with cartel, you know. As me say, this I deal with Skatta and Joe and them whole downtown production thing. But the end of the day is, my people, as I say, it's a moment where we are celebrate the freedom of Vybz Kartel is returned. So let's just look at it that way and make what them do over this, so stop the celebration thing. Let's go forward, you see me? Because if we pay $1 million, my people, remember, we pay if we represent Vybz Kartel. We not pay if we represent Joe. And you know what I mean? And that's something there. But as I say, my people, the show was so great. I love the shows to my heart. You see me, Freedom Street, my people, it's a moment when I say history. History, my people. Alright, let me talk about the artists, then when I give them ratings. See me? Alright. Let me give some, just mention some name. Number 1, you see Skatta, all my people, the brother there, him deserve every acknowledgement, bro. Big up yourself, brother. Big performance, Skatta. You see me? From Ghana to Jamaica, brother. Your brother, Skatta Wally. Big performance. Just come to celebrate Vybz Kartel freedom, bro. You represent, I love that. You see, Busta, how we are dealing international. Busta rhymes the people. Big performance. We never expect Busta. It a really forward and give that time. Me say Busta did that forward and just, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel big up and do what I want, but me never know say man did a deal with the thing. So Busta rhymes big up yourself, brother. Yo, you see Spice? Bro, you see Spice? Yo, Spice come, yo, you see Spice, yo, a real, yo, that woman there, you're real Spice, you're real, yo, Spice, me bumbo cleat, people sorry for your bad work, you know, we're not too cuss again, but yo, you see Spice done, yo, the woman no play J, the woman tough, and the way how the woman deal with the thing, bro, me have to say, yo, you know the Spice like, she not ready for left. Spice, yo, me tell her you're a star. You're the queen of dancehall and nobody can take that from you. Nobody can take that because number 1, Spice, yo, you're good, woman. You're good. Big up. Big up. People. Chronic Law. Lawboss, brother. You see Lawboss, any promoter. Overseas, if you don't used to pay Lawboss 10,000 or 20 or 30, you have to double and triple that right now. I tell you that. After Freedom Street performance, you don't see what I go on with people. The man tough. The man energetic, my people. The man make you know, so look here. It's a Vybz Kartel moment. We are celebrate the freedom of Vybz Kartel world boss. You see me? So big up Lawboss. And you see Popcaan. Oh my world, oh my patience. Popcaan, big up yourself, probably. Because now everybody didn't expect that from me, bro. Everybody. So let me tell you, what go on with Popcaan now? Lawboss.
I want to put everyone down in them. No, I'm not doing you. 3 hours upload up front. It's a nice moment, regardless. Big up the world, boss. If you listen, I'm say, one God.
White boy or the Rasta boy. You're a bad man that I like people, my friend. Skatta me here, yeah. We're there for Vybz Kartel, we're there for Uno.
Skatta and Joe, listen me. No matter what you have, or no me eat papi and you know what I mean, Lawboss or what. Listen me. A Vybz Kartel moment, brother. You should never try violate the man them. You see me? No matter what about entourage, you should never try violate the man because you don't know say papi, Lawboss, they rolling alone. You have to understand that. Papi, Lawboss, them now roll alone. A Vybz Kartel moment, brother. The show make billions already, brother. Why you not got the look of thing for end the man them? All warlord you know, and yo, you don't need to behave on yourself. You see me? You know a problem in the brother. And when Chronic Law and Papi telling you go suck on the mama now, you can't feel offended because you not violate the thing, so you deserve that suck something there. You see me? Respect is due. Respect is due. No joke. And the next thing, people, what I want to say, you see me? You see, Brawlard, Bunty, big up yourself, brother. Real performance and it's a moment. Skilly Bang youth, brother, my youth. Skilly, me watch you perform overseas, but enough showing, brother. But you see what you do? A Freedom Street, brother. It's a moment where we have to look on and say, youth, you're good. Everything where you reach for you, bro, you deserve it. Big up Skeng. You forward and you do your thing, my G. So people, overall, the show was a great show. It was a historical moment, my people. And honestly, me couldn't enjoy the show no more. You see, my Vybz Kartel deliver my people and it was a surprise. I mean, a lot of the wagga, this on the feeling on yourself, but they that doubt and I say Kartel now go do this, Kartel now go do that, my people. The show was great. I me enjoy every dollar when I spend, every time when I spend. You see me? It was the best. You see me? And Vybz Kartel, brother, me say the comment forward. History. You know what I mean? I'm just glad me live to see it. My daddy, Debaka Road, and my daddy give way people when miss out on them something a long time. It was a great show. For forward in the New Year, people, as I say, boy, I mean, I know. But yo, Vybz Kartel, bro, it was a great moment, people. And honestly, anybody who said the show was a good, if you when me rate the show, my people, they can't tell me about a 10 out of 10. It's 100 over 10. You see me with the show. You see me, it was good. It was a moment, my people, and we have to celebrate it. Big up to Lisa Hype. Sheba, you forward, you do your thing. You ain't forward that moment, but me rate what you do. Whatever happen for your reason. Because number one, for Sheba, she's one of the female artists that get the most hit with Kartel. So she should not be the first performer as a female. You see me? So when she, the time when she fought, that was the time she was needed, brother. You see me? So Sheba, big up herself, mama. You see me? Your son enhanced forward and him doing thing. Look at vibes, look at Addy. People in the see it. The youth them joyful. The youth them just a celebrate a moment. It wasn't a celebration of freedom. Javinci, alright. Big up him on him performance, people. And just one look at thing me have against Javinci is like when him just start, you know what I mean? We didn't expect him to focus more upon Vybz Kartel. Like, he never focus more upon himself. But understand, say the moment is about Vybz Kartel and him freedom, which we have to understand that. But him good, same way, him great, we not bash him, we not go around the thing. Big up Indo, big up the whole works, the people, the whole thing. It was a great show. You see me? And it's a great moment. And every artist a perform on Freedom Street, every performer, big up on yourself. But organizers don't sound Skatta. We don't need to respect people, you see me? So when Poppy telling you go do that, brother, I want to cast that. But people, this is part 1 for the review, part few so forward. So big up on yourself and remember to do like, do share, do make comment and subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms. Yo, people, my God, peace out.
New life. Them try to take your life and can be a brand new one.
Brand new one. Respect my
Brand new year. Brand new life. Brand new success. You are phenomenal.
Yes, sir.
I remember when Ron Butler brought it.
Yeah.
And I said, this man is a lyrical genius. Enough producer gather boy. Never believe us. And now, improve that he is the father. That's how fair. Listen, and I don't want you to feel like you are taking nobody's throne. You built your home.
Yes.
Independently. The only man, Rodia, will never sign to an international label and sell gold and silver for the approval. How king has risen.
And we learn from the best. We learn from the best. Remember that.
Yo, I'm so happy and elated today. I just want to say thanks, Jamaica, to give us the support, to support the youth with talent. All of the people that will believe in a faith and hope. It's the antidote to cope. Don't sell your soul. Heart and soul is the goal. See the man here? I hear them say, the world bows. So, without further ado,
Yeah, the five.
give me a check.
One more minute.
1 more minute.
Let me sing 2 lines on this week. Eternal Father, guide us with